Today we're going to be talking about how to make a maintenance request on your Appfolio app on your smartphone. First, you're going to find the Appfolio portal app, either on the App Store or whatever store you use to download apps, and it looks like this here on my screen with the orange background with a white front door. There are numerous of them, so please make sure you choose the correct one when you are downloading this. Now we click on it and we're going to wait for it to open. This is your home screen. This is where you're going to see your current balance if you have one, and you can do other things in there as well, which we'll get into another video. But you're going to click Request Maintenance, tell us what's going on, put in a description. You can be as detailed as you would like. The more details, the better for our maintenance team. For this example, I'm going to say door not opening properly. Then I'm going to click Next. From there, it's going to ask me a couple different options related to what you input. The door, is the key access, you locked out, is it not a maintenance related, etc. So let's select door, and then it's going to ask you, are you able to secure the door with another lock, and basically some additional qualifying information. And for this example, we're going to say yes, we can still get through the door. Is this door an entrance or exit for your home? We're going to say no. What part of the door is broken? We're going to say the door is not able to close. And then based on this, you don't have to select these ones. They're just an example, but you can select any of those options. The next thing it's going to ask that's very important for us, we will ask for this, is a photo of the issue. Now for this example, I'm taking a photo of the door hinge just for sake of purpose for the example. And what you're going to do is you'll be able to upload it right there. The last question is going to be whether you allow us entry, whether you're home or not. Most of the time it's going to be no, but it does give you those options to do that. So we're going to click no and then click submit. It's going to process the request, and then you're going to see where you submitted it. It's going to show you the page that shows it, as well as you'll be able to click View Details or request a cancellation. So click View Details, it'll show you any notifications, as well as you can request cancellation. And that's it.